Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 5 from paper June 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. The curve C has equation y equals to f of x. Given that f of x is quadratic expression, the maximum turning point on C has coordinate -2 and 12. C cuts the negative x's at -5. Okay. So find f of x. So we need to find out the quadratic expression here because f of x is quadratic expression. To find out quadratic expression, the turning point is given. Let's look at the curve. So this is the turning point, and the curve touches at -5 and 0. So basically this minus -5, the curve passes through this point, -5 and 0. Alright, to form the quadratic expression, let's get another page to work out. Right, to form a quadratic expression, because it's a turning point, and to form a quadratic expression, what we do, we write it in a completing square form, because the turning point is given here, and this coordinate on a turning point will help us to form a quadratic expression. How? Have a look. The completing square form is in journal. We write it in a way: a into x plus b whole squared. Let me erase it. Plus c. All right. Because this curve is upside down. This parabola is upside down. So it's upside down. So we can write here -a. Because this is negative quadratic expression. If it is upward, then we say that the quadratic expression is positive, but this is downward, so we say that this is negative. Okay, so we have a turning point which is -2 and 12. Because it's negative and inside we do the reverse operation, so we can write it as +2, and outside see that this point is 12. All right. Now, because this curve passes through -5 and 0, this curve passes through this point. I'm gonna use this point to get to know what is a. Okay, so let's substitute it here. So -5 plus 2. Okay, we can label it 1, because once I get the value of a, I will substitute back in here. Plus 12. So y is 0. Let's replace y with 0. So 0 equals to -a and -3 squared plus 12. And we have 9a minus 9a plus 12 equals to 0. Then we have -12, and a is 4/3. Right? So this value of a, I will substitute back in 1 to get to know what is a quadratic expression. So let's write here for x. The same thing. So x plus 2 and 12. This is the quadratic expression. Okay? You can write here f of x, you can write here y. It's the same thing. So this is the quadratic expression. Alright. In the next part, it says that the line L1 has equation y equals to 4/5x, given that L2 is perpendicular to L1 and passes through this point. Alright, so let's start solve B part. I have to form an equation of a straight line y equals to mx plus c. L1 is perpendicular to L2, or L2 is perpendicular to L1, whatever. Okay, the gradient for L1 is 4/5. Because it is perpendicular, so gradient for L2 would be negative reciprocal. So L2 gradient would be minus 5 over 4. Okay, let's form an equation of a straight line. M into x minus x1. Because it passes through negative 5 and 0, so y is 0, gradient is minus 5 over 4, and x is negative 5, which is positive 5. So negative negative is positive, so I can write here plus 5. Alright, so y equals to minus 5 over 4x and negative 25 over 4. This is the equation of a straight line for L2. Right, so this is done. And it's time to do C. Figure 2 shows a sketch of the curve C and the line L1 and L2. Define the region using inequalities. Okay, if we look at the region is shaded under the curve, above L1, above L2, and under the curve, right? So under the curve means y is less and equals to, the quadratic expression we have is minus 4 over 3 x plus 2 plus 12. Above the line L1 is y is greater and equals to 4 over 5x. Okay, and above the line L2 is y is greater and equals to minus 5 over 4x minus 25 over 4. This is the shaded region for the C part. This was question number 5 from paper June 2022, Pearson, Edexcel, Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident having to tackle similar problems. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EY's Math channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Bye.